Alright, now I know that you're probably bombarded with so many lists of words that you're just trying to know and get, and here is another video to just drink out of the fire hose, right? I'm gonna bombard you with even more, but these are just words that you must know by heart by now, alright? Because I'm putting this video out there because there will be a series of videos coming soon, dun dun dun, where you will need to know what the definitions of these are, how to use them, and why we use them. Because there are going to be more words coming down your throat, and you will need to get a better understanding of how to use these. Because the next few videos I'm going to be posting with more words. If you can't build a good foundation in this, you are going to be SOL. So get a good grip of how these words are used, okay? So, usahay, kanunay, imbes, tingali, seguro, después, samtang, mientras, kaysa, right? And then in this column we have comparado, dayon, unya, basi, and also its derivatives, right? I had the video of the expressions with basi. Bisan, again, and its derivatives, so know how to use those. Maski and its derivatives as well. I had videos of those. Sige, por eso, busa, and of course, last but not least, your enclitic particles. I cannot stress those enough. Okay. Now, some of these words you might not use or you might not hear outside on a daily conversation. Some of these words you probably do, and that's fine. It's all a matter of dialectal difference and idiolectal difference, right? Now, even though some of these words you probably have never heard before, just because they aren't heard of before doesn't mean they don't exist in the Cebuano language. So even though you may not have heard of them, they do exist in the language, and they probably are not commonly used, but they are Cebuano words. So again, I'm telling you this now with this video is to warn you that, hey, get a good grasp on these words, because what's going to come up soon is going to be more words down your throat, and get a better foundation and understanding so you can understand what's going to happen later on in the future videos, all right? And I hope this can kind of help you clarify. Again, if you don't understand, use dictionaries or your sources, what have you, okay? And with that ends this quick video.